Hello everyone, welcome to JP English Online Tutorials. We continue phrasal preposition part 2. Instead of, its context, in the place of.
Start.
Now examples. She drank juice instead of coffee. Here, she drank juice instead of coffee. So here, coffee is replaced by juice. Actually, she wanted to drink coffee, but instead of coffee, she drank juice. Went by train. We went by train instead of bus. So here, train and bus. So train is replaced by bus. I'll call you instead of sending a message. So instead of calling, he wants to send a message. So here phone calling is replaced by a message. They stayed home instead of going to the party. So just simply they stayed home instead of going to the party. So here party is replaced by staying home. Hello everyone. Now I am going to explain about in spite of. In spite of means it shows contrast. One negative situation, one other result. In spite of the storm, the plane landed safely. So here the storm is a negative situation. The plane landed safely, another result. Next example, he smiled in spite of his pain. So he smiled, but he has pain. So yet he has a pain, he smiled. In spite of her fear, she entered the dark room. So she feared it is negative result, but she entered the dark room. It is another result. In spite of heavy rain, the children played outside. So here, heavy rain, it is obstacle, but the children played outside. I am going to explain next two. Means beside. Example, the school is next to the library. Means the school and the library. So here, next to the library, the school is next to the library. The school is beside the library. Please sit next to your friend. There is a park next to my house. So here, a park and house is there. So park is beside the house. She placed the pen next to the notebook. So here, pen is there and notebook. She put the pen beside the notebook. So here, contrast between next to and beside. So next to emphasizes immediate closeness. Nothing between. There is no another object between. In case beside, you can see here at the side of something is there in between. Another object is there in between. So in that context, we have to say beside. But there is nothing in between. So we have to say next to. That emphasizes immediately closeness. Thank you.